Mastering your first business taxes, a beginner's guide. Venturing into business is an exciting journey, but it comes with the daunting task of filing business taxes. Understand your tax obligations. Different structures have distinct tax rules. Stay informed to avoid legal issues. Keep accurate records. From income to deductions, every penny counts. Good record keeping simplifies tax filing. Hire a tax professional. They know the tax code better. Their expertise can save you money and stress. Deductions are your friend. From home office to business travel, legitimate deductions can reduce your taxable income. Always file on time. Penalties for late filing can be harsh. Mark the dates and stay ahead. Mastering your business taxes isn't impossible. With the right knowledge and guidance, you can navigate it with ease.